guys, Matthew here. So I've done an unboxing of the mid-range Garmin dash cam along with a budget dash cam that I found on Amazon. Well, I also have the NextBase dash cam right here. I'm currently reviewing or at least testing the other two, but I went ahead and got this. I got this for $199.99. Usually it's on about $259.99. So I got it on sale for about $60 off. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and unbox this and do a quick walkthrough, and later on, after I've reviewed the other ones, which I'm testing now, I'll do a review on this one. So stay tuned. Okay, so here is the dash cam package. This is the NextBase 522GW dash cam. This is about the middle of the line. They have a 622, but they also have a bunch of other cheaper dash cams as well. So this is the upper middle, I guess, of NextBase's dash cam lineup. So anyways, let's go ahead and just go through the features real quick. This has a Click and Go Pro GPS mount. So what that means is that you can take it off real quick. It has a magnet, and so you can take it off real quick if you want to store it, if you don't want to leave it in your car for a super long period of time, afraid of people who may break into your car and try to steal this. This also comes with a USB cable and a suction mount, and also has a power cable fitting tool, which is nice. So that means that you'll be able to do it yourself, install it, and hide the cable yourself. This shoots quad HD video, so not exactly 4K, but not 1080p, a little bit better than 1080p, so that's nice. Again, we went over the Click and Go Pro mount. It has a high definition touchscreen, so it's a 3-inch high definition touchscreen. I am a little mixed on this because I do like having physical buttons when your screen is considerably smaller, especially on like a dash cam. So we'll go ahead and see how this is. It has GPS speed and location monitoring, so it will show where your GPS is along with the speed of your vehicle. So in that way, when you get in an accident or anything like that, it will show your speed and then also where the accident occurred. It has Wi-Fi connected, so that means that you can connect directly to your dash cam via Wi-Fi, which is nice. It has emergency response SOS, so if you do get in a wreck, that means that once you get in that wreck, it will automatically call 911 emergency vehicles, and it will tell them your GPS location as well. This also has ALEXA built in, so that's nice. So if any of you guys are ALEXA based, then it will go ahead and automatically pair to your smart device. If you don't have it already, just download it through the iOS or Android App Store, and it's a free download, and you can go ahead and do it that way as well. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. Okay, so I have my knife here, so we'll go ahead and cut here and cut here. There we go. Take the wrapper off. Toss that. Okay. And then we need the knife again because there is some there we go. And we'll open it up. And here we have just kind of some warranty guides, some stuff like that. We don't really need this stuff. And then you have your quick start guide, which is nice. And then here you have your dash cam to the left. So we'll go ahead and put that there. And then if you open this, it kind of gives you a QR code so you can download the app through your smartphone. So Apple, Android, anything like that. And then you can connect it via your laptop or your phone. So we'll go ahead and just put that to the side. And then you got this, and we'll go ahead and just go through all this in a minute. So let's just take this all out. And then we don't really need the box, so we'll toss that. Okay, so first thing, let's just take the dash cam out. So here we go. And here's the dash cam right here. On the back of the dash cam where the screen is, you kind of get some instructions on formatting your SD card and downloading the NextBase app, my NextBase app, on your device. So we'll go ahead and take the lens cover off, and then we will go ahead and take this off as well. There you go. And there you go. Here is the actual device itself. It's very nice, looks very clean, very small, minimalistic. So anyways, we'll put that down here. And then here you have your NextBase magnetic click and go right here. So it connects via, on here, the 3M tape, which is nice. I personally like that versus a suction, but anyways, you have that. And then you also, it comes with a replacement one in case this one is damaged or you want to place it in another spot as well. You have 2 of these, so that's nice. Next is the suction mount right here. So this is good for if you want to use a suction mount on your window or your dash. If you have a flat dash, you can use that. So that's really nice that they include this. I personally prefer the 3M tape, but if you like the suction cup mount, you have that as well. And then here is the super long power cable. So you have this, and you can run this, connect this to your NextBase camera, and then run it up the top over your windshield and then down, and use that to for power supply. And then it comes with this power cord right here. So it looks like this cable is a super long cable, which is nice because I know some people, their vehicles are wider or the windshield is taller than other vehicles, so it's nice that they give you a super long cable for that. And then you have a cord tool, so this will help you to hide your cable when you go to install your camera. And you have your USB-A to micro USB. This right here will actually connect to your camera, and then you can connect this to your computer so you can get any footage or anything like that if you want to connect it directly to your computer from your dash cam. So that's nice that they give you this. Okay, so this is the dash cam itself. As you can see, you have a decently sized 3-inch touchscreen display. Again, like I said, I don't know exactly how I feel about touchscreen displays. I prefer having buttons. There is one button here, but other than that, there's not a whole lot. So just be aware that this is basically fully touchscreen. On the left of the camera, if you're looking at the screen, you have your micro SD card slot. This micro SD card is not provided in the box, unlike a lot of other budget dash cams. This is not provided, so you will have to go buy yourself a micro SD card for this. You also have your power button, so you can turn on and off the camera instead of just yanking the power cord out from the camera.
So on here, there's this little port right here. As you can see, it almost looks like a mini HDMI port. This is used because you can also buy an add-on to this dash cam that will allow you to have, let's say, a back camera for the rear of your car, or it allows you to have a camera that lets you see the cabin view of your car from here in case you're like a Uber driver, Lyft driver, or anything like that. So it's cool that they have this so you can add on to your initial device and not have to buy a whole bunch more stuff.
On the top here, you have your USB port here, so you can, this is where you would connect your camera directly to, let's say, a computer or anything like that. So that's nice. Up top here, you see you have a bunch of holes right here. This is for taking sound and for voice, so you can access your ALEXA through this to tell it to, hey ALEXA, start recording, and it'll start recording. And you have some more sound holes, I guess, for the camera as well through here, so it will be able to recognize your voice. On the base here, you have this is good for your power when you connect your dash cam. Let's say, there you go, you connect your dash cam, your power is actually going from the base itself, it's not going directly to the camera. So that's good, because that means that when you disconnect your, let's say you disconnect your camera from the mount, then you're not going to have to worry about, well, let me go ahead and power down the camera. It's automatically going to power down because the power is going through the base itself, not the camera. So that's nice. And then when you don't have the base connected to the camera, you see this big gap here, you have a little cover right here that you just plop on, and there it goes. So that's nice. And then you have, of course, the lens right here. This is an ultra wide, I think it's 140-degree view for seeing everything around your car, especially when you're driving or if you're in park mode, which this has. So okay, well, that is the NextBase 522GW dash cam. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to do a review of this along with the other two dash cams in the next month or so with the holiday season, and then I also have my police academy stuff going on. It may take me a little while to do reviews on all of these, but I will do them as soon as I can. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that bell icon to be notified when I post another video. Until then, everyone, stay safe. Peace.